what they want in life. And what has this workshop given me? It's given me the ability to express myself freely, not just on stage, but one-to-one with people as well, and in groups. And that confidence and that ability to do that really allows me to show genuineness and authenticity. And for many years I struggled with public speaking. If you saw me 10 years ago, I would be hiding behind this banner. I would not have the confidence to be up here right now. And after I met Harry at Toastmasters and got introduced into this whole world of personal development and just public speaking and expressing myself, I really feel like a completely new person, a different person. So where I am now, building my business, and I think what resonated a lot with me was Oprah's speech. So giving my service to the world. So yes, my job is very, very rewarding if I do well, but I'm not focused on that. Instead, focused on helping people. And so I wouldn't have learnt that if it wasn't for Harry's workshop and specifically Oprah's speech as well. Thank you.